Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label Reviews. Here are the areas we will look at. About Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label. Features. Who needs Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label? Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label Reviews. Here are the areas we will look at. About Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label. Features. Who needs Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label? And how does it work? Customer support. Pricing. Email Videos Pro review from our experts. Email Videos Pro 2.0 White Label is the first ever video email software that allows you to add full videos into your emails for maximum engagement, clicks, and sales. No other application I know of can do what Email Videos Pro does. Maximize your click-through rate, 10x your engagement, get 10x the profits and results from the emails you or your customers send. This product is the first to market and is perfect for video marketers, agencies, local marketers, freelancers, online marketers, and anyone who does anything with video. It works on all mobile devices and comes with a commercial license. You can also offer Email Videos Pro to your customers for a common monthly expense or a one-time cost and pocket 100% of the profits. No specialized skills are required. It is so natural to use that you and anyone else can use it and will want to make video messages in minutes. Everyone who has tried this product so far has said that it takes less than 5 minutes to do. It allows you to make immediate profits, even before you send the first video message using this amazing cloud-based program. If you increase your revenue and profits using this innovation, then at that point you buy this cloud-based programming. I strongly suggest you do so. If you buy it from my link you will free bonuses. Link is in the description box. Send me a screenshot of your buying in my Instagram account and I will send you the bonuses immediately.